Welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. So I'm down here at the trailer. I'll be unloading this thing a little at a time, loading it in the truck and then transferring it down to the building. There's my kids. It's Anna
Papa,
and Fed. Hey buddy.
put me in the video. Papa, hello.
You're in the video. Say hi to everybody on YouTube.
Hey.
Well, I've got to unstrap all this stuff out of the trailer. I'm going to take the pipe off the top and put it in the truck.
Yeah.
I've got a water barrel right here at the back. If you saw the video when I load this thing, that I need to drain, transfer into the other barrel and haul it out to the building. And a little firewood, multiple loads of that. Let me get started. I'm going to transfer this little 30-gallon drum of water. I've just got a little pump, drill, powered pump there. We'll transfer it into this 55-gallon drum over here. Then I'll put the empty drum, the 30-gallon, in there, and I'll be loading this pipe rack in the truck and as much firewood as I can fit. That's the plan anyway. Well, let me get started. What a mess. We'll see how many loads it takes to get this over there to the building. It's going to take quite a bit, probably most of the day. It is what it is. Let me get going. Well, there's the first load. Little firewood, got that water, the pipe rack for Connex, ramps for the trailer, and 3 pieces of 12-inch HDP pipe, or ADS pipe, however you'd like to say it. Well, let me get this down to the building. Well, put a little dent in it. That's 3 loads. Yeah, it's probably going to take 10 loads to get the bulk of this stuff out of here. Got a good bit of rebar. Pretty good sized stuff there. Good bit of firewood in there too. Now let me get this over to the building.
Falling.
Smack your fingers.
Whoa. Oh, what is this?
The fur. Fur.
You know where I got those cactus bricks? So, where that happened, me and Fed saw a millipede.
Yeah, you found a millipede.
Yep. Oh, spider.
This growing up, man. This is how we heated our house. Let's give us some more wood.
Okay, coming at ya.
Slow it down on assembly line 1. Go a little harder, buddy.
I'm trying.
Not you. Yeah.
Him too.
This tunnel is too tight.
You can do it. Come on, kid.
Ugh. The reward after this better be a good one. Because this is a hard job.
Whatever the W is. Yeah, the W. You're going to like the W.
Roach! Door roach!
Watch his legs.
Sorry, Fed. Wait.
Hey, instead of playing, see this.
Play a little bit, but yeah. Buddy, you want to stand so it's straight. No, you know what? Like that. Stop right there.
There's a hole back there. Yeah.
It's leaning to the side.
Careful.
Yikes! Yeah! That's
All right, we're gonna make another run up this hill. Hopefully, I can make it. We'll see. Took a lot of weight out of the trailer. Hopefully, I can make it this time.
You gotta get out of the way of that big truck.
Well, glad to get that over with. I guess I'm gonna call it a night. I'll see you on the next one.